Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and analyze the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events planned for today is Wednesday, September 7th. We have high impacting news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs at 7 am. Then at 2:30 pm we have high impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 7:30 pm we have high impacting news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 10:05 pm we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to make your trading plans based on this news outcome schedules. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at this trend line or the support line where the price action has taken support and bounced back on the bullish side retracement, and currently we are noticing the price action to take resistance on this support line, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line. And in the past price action we have noticed a price action to take support on the support level of 1690 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and it couldn't break the previous resistance level, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish retracement. When we look at these levels in the past price action, we have noticed the price action to take support at this level and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So this level had acted as a very strong support in the past price action, so we can expect this level to act as a strong support for the future price action also. But on the other hand, if the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a very steep fall from this support level, which will confirm the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. For now we have to wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to have a bullish side retracement to start. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support levels and eventually to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Previously the price action tried to break this resistance line, but it couldn't succeed in breaking it, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace to retest on the support zone between 1690 to 1680. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, previously the price action was in a very strong bullish trend and it has taken resistance on the resistance level of 1808, and we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side to take support on the support level of 1690, and it went on a bullish side retracement, but it couldn't sustain above this resistance line over here from the daily time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side retracement. I am drawing a resistance lines to find the current trend of the price action. So currently we are noticing the price action to be respecting this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So if the price action needs to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, it has to break this resistance line and the trend line from the daily time frame in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate and eventually start a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side in 4 hours time frame. Wait for a directional breakout if you are a long term investor. Still on the bullish side also we have lots of resistance levels from the daily time frame which it has to break in order to continue its bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it has formed a double top pattern and currently it is on a retracement to complete this double top pattern. And only when the price action breaks this support zone between 1689 to 1680, we can expect a bearish side trend to start in hourly time frame. And next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1658. Again for the hourly time frame also I would recommend you to draw a resistance line like this in order to find out the current trend of the price action. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will be a bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. And wait for the price action to break these resistance lines in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this very strong support level from the daily time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1667, and next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1658. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this support zone, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, currently the price action is in a very strong bearish trend, respecting this resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1689. And if the price action manages to break this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1680 from the daily time frame. Currently the trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also on a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame also, we are noticing a very strong bearish trend. We can expect the price action to take support on the higher time frame support zone between 1689 to 1680. And on the bullish side also, if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line from the daily time frame, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the price action in daily time frame is trading between this resistance line and the support zone. Wait for a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trade. And as long as the price action doesn't break this support zone, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in daily time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.